So this week for Trivia Tuesdays, I'm gonna do stuff that you can do at your house as well and experiment with different noises. So did you know that if you hum and whistle at the same time, you can make a train whistle noise? Something else you can try doing is super falsetto. Now what this is, it's the register above the falsetto range. And the only person in popular music that really has done this is Mariah Carey. I can actually do it through my nose, and I can do it through my mouth. I'll do it through my nose first. And then here's the whistle through my mouth. So, if you didn't know already, that was the Heartbreaker melody that Mariah Carey does at the end. So to demonstrate something cool for you, if you scoop your whistle up at a certain note, depending on your resonating frequency, actually skip into a different register. Did you hear that? Some adults can't actually hear that pitch, but it was a really high pitch. I don't know what frequency it was, but it was a high pitch. So if you whistle, perhaps maybe you can't hear you whistling, but somebody else might be able to hear you whistling. One thing that some people don't know is that percussion instruments still have a pitch. Now here's an example that I can show you guys, and you can use your mouth to do it. So all you have to do is have a hollow mouth and then just flick your cheek. Now what you can try to do is experiment with making a song with that. So here goes. Okay, and this noise here is something that actually made me laugh all the time when I was young. So if you have a kid that might be crying or something like that and you want to cheer them up, maybe this is a great way to cheer them up. It's really simple. All you have to do is block their mouth. If they're yelling, or if they're crying, you can just make noises. It's funny. It sounds funny. It's cool, right? So this one is something I learned in choir, and it can actually work some of your muscles in your face. It also shows your air support as well. So what you do is you make a tone blowing your lips, and see how long you can do that. It also makes your face very itchy. I think that's enough noises for this week. I hope you guys try some of these yourself and have some fun with it, because I definitely had some fun making this video. If you guys have any noises that you'd like me to try to attempt, definitely send it over and put some comments or whatever, and I'll try it. Thanks for watching.